Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. What is the cause of every phenomenon in the universe? Why do objects have magnetic fields and exert gravity? Well, it all goes down to the interactions between strings. In string theory, strings are tiny, vibrating one-dimensional particles that represent different elementary particles. The elementary particles they represent are based on how they spin or vibrate. So, strings can represent anything from quarks to photons, and they may even represent dark energy. So in summary, strings make up all matter and force in the universe. But strings can also explain many subatomic phenomena. Kind of like a string in real life, the strings in string theory can be split, connected, or form loops. This can happen when a string meets another string, or a string becomes curved into itself. When a string does this, however, its properties can change. For example, when two strings representing an electron and a positron collide with each other, they can combine together into another string representing a photon. However, this photon doesn't exist for very long, and it quickly splits itself into two different strings and becomes another electron and positron. The interaction represented here is the annihilation of a positron and electron, and it could all be visualized with a pair of strings connecting and disconnecting. In addition, 2 points of a string can meet and form a loop. This loop is known as a closed string, and it represents a graviton, the carrier of energy in the gravitational field. So, string interactions can also cause gravity. As strings move around, forming loops, which are then turned back into lines, gravitons pop in and out of existence. Near an object with a high mass, a greater amount of these gravitons will appear and disappear, causing more excitations in the gravitational field, and causing a greater amount of gravity. Similar to gravitons, photons are the carrier of energy in the electromagnetic field. As strings interact and split into photons, there is an excitation in the electromagnetic field, causing magnetic forces. You may know what Feynman diagrams are. They show the interactions between subatomic particles over time. But they can also be represented with world sheets, or the movements of strings through time. As the particles move through time as seen in this diagram, they actually look like this, two strings merging then separating. So yeah, the significance of string interactions. If string theory were true, they would be the cause of every particle interaction. If I got anything wrong in this video, then please tell me in the comments. Anyways, see you next time, and bye.